What do you know about the wild animals in Mongolia? Mongolia is a far-reaching country full of plant and animal varieties which exists nowhere else. In this video, we'll talk about some of the fascinating animals to be found in the wild of Mongolia. The Gobi bear, also known as Mazaalai, is the world's only bear that lives in the Gobi Desert and can only be found in Mongolia. Even half a century ago, according to the studies conducted by some specialists since 1967, the Gobi bear population did not surpass 50. In 2018, a Samya and Bahtakto study team employed an automated camera to detect 36 Gobi bears based on their symptoms. The Gobi bear is unique among bears because it inhabits a broad area in the Gobi, which has a harsh climate with temperatures ranging from 46 degrees Celsius in the summer to minus 34 degrees Celsius in the winter. The Gobi bear can be found in the three primary areas spanning the wide Gobi Desert. During the scorching summer months, the Gobi bear spends its day lounging in the shade of rock, tunnels, lush grass, and siltstones, and it dwells near the water point. However, during some summers, the spring water evaporates, making life difficult for the Gobi bear. Next up, we have the Saiga antelope, a big Central Asian migratory ruminant found in the Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Russia, and Uzbekistan. The saiga prefers open dry steppe grasslands and semi-arid deserts to live in. The interior anatomy of this antelope's nose works as a filter and has a distinctive appearance with an oversized and flexible snout. It filters away dust stirred up by the herd in the summer and warms the chilly air before it enters the lungs in the winter. In the 1990s, the saiga population plummeted by 95% from more than 1.5 million to 50,000 individuals across its habitat. Poaching is to blame for such a dramatic reduction. Because saiga horns are highly prized in traditional Chinese medicine, the illegal trade grew in popularity as a result of difficult economic conditions, poverty among local population, and a lack of authority following the fall of the Soviet Union. Mongolian saiga is found throughout the western part of the country. The current population of saigas in all subpopulations is estimated to be around 200,000. Demand for saiga horns remain high, and they are unlawfully traded on the black market, thus poaching remains a major danger. For the time being, conservation organizations are reporting encouraging results from their efforts in some locations, but it is evident that more has to be done throughout the species range. Snow leopards have adapted to survive in some of the most extreme environments on the planet. Their white-gray coat, which is speckled with big black rosettes, mixes in wonderfully with Central Asia's steep and rocky mountains. The snow leopard's muscular body allows it to easily scale even the steepest of slopes. The snow leopard can leap 6 times its body length thanks to its rear legs. A long tail promotes balance and agility, as well as providing protection from the cold when the snow leopard is sleeping. Snow leopards can be found in 12 countries: China, Bhutan, Nepal, India, Pakistan, Russia, and Mongolia, but their numbers are declining. Snow leopards are important predators as well as indicators of the health of their high-altitude habitat. Countless other species will benefit if snow leopards survive. Local farmers frequently kill snow leopards because they prey on livestock like sheep, goats, horses, and yak calves. Local communities hunt the same animals that snow leopards would normally kill, such as the wild sheep. Snow leopards are compelled to kill sheep to survive as their natural prey becomes scarce. In the world, there are 9 subspecies of Argali, wild sheep. The largest of these is Ate Argali. Argali are an endangered species that cannot be hunted. They are extremely mobile and can run up to 60 miles per hour if they are terrified of something. It also has a range of 200 to 300 kilometers. Argali isn't a big fan of the sun. It always follows the meadow and ravens during the day to avoid the sun. To protect the young from the prey, the mother sheep would be attentive all day, teaching the young how to hide and counteracting the threat when it approached. Argali sheep can be found in the Central Asian highland locations above 1,000 meters. The horns of the wild sheep average in 60 inches or 1.5 meters in length. It has a maximum lifespan of 13 years. Because of the horn, poachers frequently kill them. With the permission of the government, 26 to 30 entities are authorized to participate in a number of hunts each year. The price of a single head of the sheep is around $50,000. Horses are a source of immense amazement and interest almost anywhere you travel in the globe. They're frequently pictured as a personification of liberty, galloping through wide open regions with stunning elegance and scenic splendor. Since they were initially domesticated by Asian nomads some 4,000 years ago, these gorgeous animals have proven to be indispensable. They are still mentioned in traditional folk tales and mythology. Przewalski's horses differ slightly from domesticated horses in terms of size and build, although they both belong to the Equidae family. The Mongolian horse, a native of Central Asia steppes, was pushed to the extinction in the wild, with the last horse observed in 1968. On the IUCN Red List, Przewalski's horses are now listed as endangered. They're up against challenges including a loss of genetic variety as a result of the tiny gene pool utilized to repopulate the species in the first place. Thank you so much for watching our video, and I hope you learned something new about the wild animals in Mongolia. Please subscribe and comment and leave us a like. I hope to see you soon.